Today we're going to make some wire wrap earrings. If you look near here, you can see the little wrap. And we're going to add beads and this lovely flower pendant to it. So what you're going to need is 3 small beads for each earring. 3 beads for each earring. You're going to need, for each earring, this lovely flower pendant. And it needs to have, or any other kind of pendant, but it needs to have a hole here or here. Or maybe you can try it with a larger bead. But this is what I'm using with a hole here and a hole here. For each earring. You're going to need earring hook for each earring that you make. You're going to need 22 gauge jewellery making wire. You'll also need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, flush cutters, and square nose pliers. You're also going to need a ruler. You're going to start off by cutting the wire, 3 pieces of wire to about 2 inches. You're going to get your wire and cut it, 22-inch wire, and cut it 2 inches. So get your flush cutters, cut to 2 inches. And for each earring, you're going to need 3 for each earring, so 6 together. They've all been cut to 2 inches, and this is for each earring. Now, the next thing you're going to do is pick up your round nose pliers. I have made a mark here because that's what I want the size of the loop to be. So once you've cut it into 2 inches, size 2 inches, you go in the middle where that white, and keep to where that white bit is, so the loop is the same, and then just wrap it round like that. So it should look like it should be shaped like an upside down P. And then I'm going to hold it with my flat nose pliers and start to turn this bit of wire about 3 times. 1, 2. So they're the same as the others. Now, it's going to make the loop a bit wonky. So I'm going to go in and just kind of straighten that P a little, straighten the loop a little bit. Like that. So now we don't need this tail here. So I'm going to just, with my chain nose pliers, just bring it around a bit more. Flatten it like that. So I'm going to tuck it in using my chain nose pliers. Tucking it in using my chain nose pliers until it's down, until it's tucked in with the round bit here, the straight bit here. Now I'm going to pick up my bead. And I'm going to slide it on and pick up my round nose pliers. Stay where that white bit is and just close it in. It's not going to be completely closed, but just make a simple loop at the top. So just making a simple loop at the top. So it will be a loop at the bottom, three wraps here, and then just a simple loop at the top. So what you need to have is a loop here, 3 wraps here, and a loop at the top. So this is facing front. So the loop should be down this way, and the top one should be round that way. So that's round that way, and that's coming down that way. So you should have 3 of these. You need 3 for each earring, so 6. You need 3 for each earring, 6 all together, and they should try and have them look the same as much as possible. Next thing you need to do is join them together. So we'll pick up the first one. The first one's going to have you can see the wraps at the bottom, and then the plain hoop at the top. So we're going to join them together. So pick up my round nose pliers. I'm going to slightly open that plain loop bit, and then join the next one on using the wrap side. So it's going to be joined like that. Going to be joined, and then you're going to close it using either your chain nose or your flat nose pliers to close it in. So far like this, with the wrap side at the bottom here, and then the wrap side here. So wrap side here, and the plain bit at the top there. So we're going to join on another one. So now that we've got this bit, what you need to do is pick up your round nose pliers, open the plain bit, and then put on this lovely, gorgeous flower pendant. Just put it on like that. Pick up either your chain nose or your flat nose pliers and close it completely. Like that. Or I think I'll pick up my round nose pliers so I can get right in, and so that I can close it. So that's closed like that. Now we pick up the last piece. And we're going to join it here. So the plain bit, we're going to open it. Then put it onto the flower pendant. And then we're going to close it. I think I'll use my round nose pliers and bring it in, closing it. I'm going to close it now. Like that. And then, so it should be looking like that so far. And then we're going to pick up our earring hoop and pick up our round nose pliers and go in and open the loop like that. So it's open, and then we're going to put it onto the top of the earring, put it onto the top, think I use my round nose pliers and go in and close it, bringing it in and closing it like that. It should be closed now. Make sure it's nice and closed. So there you got your lovely earrings. These are ones I made before with different colours. It's got the wraps at the bottom. It's got the wraps at the top. See, the wraps are there. So these are all the different ones I made, all different colour beads I made. Another one that I made. You can see the wire wrap at the here, wire wrap here, and a wire wrap at the bottom. There. Just like with different colours and that. If you like this video, please press the like button, the thumbs up button, and the notification bell so YouTube lets you know when I've made another video. If you've got any comments or any questions, please pop them down below. If you want to follow me, my social media, I've got the links down below. If you want to have a look at my Etsy shop of all the jewellery and fashion accessories that I've made, I'll put that link down below as well. And I'll link another wire wrap jewellery that you can make.